Good morning, all. Today is the 4th of March 2016, last day for the week. And market's pretty quiet right now. We got about 75 cents of range, and look where we are right now. Red, green, red, green, red. So more likely this one's going to be green. But I think there's going to be some selling, being a Friday. Um, it'll be interesting if it breaks this high and it goes up, because there's that news report about this $40 number that they're trying to reach. Because there was a news on people finding, or I guess companies are going to step in to start drilling again at this price, because I guess it makes sense for them to do so when the price holds there. But I think that's just a big quack, because there's where all the selling took place. So I think someone's going to be selling at that area for sure. So watch this level here. That's going to be interesting. Uh, but still, I mean, the direction is long, it seems like. So it's going to be really interesting when it starts breaking all these highs. So these are kind of somewhat your catalysts, I guess. Um, so those are the areas that I'm interested in. I haven't taken any trades yet. I'm just kind of waiting what's going on. Need to be in a groove here. So, um, in any event, let's see if we could look at other markets here. Um, let me get the S&P 500. I've been watching that one. So this one, as you can see, that high is 2002, and I don't know if it's going to break down here now. That level was hit, you see, and then now it's going to sell off. So fortunately, I'm not in my real account here, because I was going to try to hold this over the weekend, but I think there's going to be some selling here. So in any event, I think then that might be the level then. So anyhow, I'll be right back. There's not much going on. Gold rallied overnight. I think I woke up this morning. I was looking at CME, and it was up $15 this morning, but not selling off with the S&P, which is very odd to me. Um, so the dollar is doing a pullback here. I was still interested in that $95 level. So if the dollar gets weaker, makes sense for the crude to rally. So, anyways, okay. Well, I'll be right back. If I see a trade, I'll try to take it. But right now, it's inside the range, as you can see here. So this is the Globex session. That level, and it's still Globex session right now. Broke out of that high. I think that's a fake. It might sell off right now. So anyways, I'll be right back. I might even take this trade, and then 86 would be your stop. So I'll put in an order there. Oh, it might have been too late already. Anyhow, um, all right. Well, I'll be back. I'll just wait for this trade to unfold. Um, I'll be right back. So I took this quick filler trade here, and there you go. Sorry, I got hit. You see this wick again? It's coming to take people out. So anyhow, I took a quick trade there. If this thing comes back 10 cents, I'm gonna try to reshort it, see what happens. But I think it's gonna wiggle around here. We shall see. Lately, it opens, it creates a big, huge spike, and then the candle following it is another engulfing pattern. So it seems like it's indecision and finally just takes off. So I just kind of caught that one yesterday. It was similar to what I was doing yesterday, so I went ahead and took advantage of that fact. I might reshort it again at 74, but not on this candle. If this thing shoots up, then it's just going to reverse and come back this way. So um, anyhow, in any event, I'll just wait. I got about till 10 o'clock today. I'm gonna go to work kind of late today. Family coming over from out of town, so I have to go to the airport before I go to work. So I'll wait for another turn. So and just to reiterate here, I knew there was an opening, and then when I saw that candle shoot up, and suddenly from this price, it's starting to get hit, and you know, you're watch when you make the decision to enter in. I'm looking for aggressive sellers to knock the price down, and and this is kind of one of those stop entry kind of order. So, but you have to be quick to get out because that's just a scalp, and that happened yesterday, I think. Let me go bring up the chart from yesterday. Let's see, where was that? So it's kind of a reverse from yesterday. So you see this 8 o'clock sharp up, and the next thing you know, it just sold back down and then came back down, right? So, you know, so you think this thing in an engulfing pattern, people would get in, would buy in right away to get in, and then they'll just get stopped out. So I'm expecting the same similar behavior in the open. It's going to be a little crazy. So I'm going to wait for all the orders to get filled before it takes a direction here. But I think the direction is down because just the fact that today's Friday, people might be cashing out here, you know, short and long. So whoever's right doesn't matter. But I think direction is kind of down here. So at least that's the bias that I have. If that changed today, I'm going to change myself. So in any event, so I'll just wait. 3070 maybe it's a good entry. Oops, oh, I hate that. 3070, it's looking good here. So 70. So I'll just wait again. Maybe 62. I'll try to buy it there. Because see, this one got engulfed, went back down, shoot down, and now you're thinking all the short sellers are going to be there. But now look, they're probably trapped, right? Because more likely they all sold right there. So yeah, it's too close. So I'm gonna wait. People are on I'm reading the tape here. Someone dumped what, almost 200 contracts, so that's institutional transaction at around the 70 area. So but the reason why I don't want to take the trade is because the wicks, you know, it's just so much. I mean, you know, 5 ticks is my budget here, so I can easily get taken out. Um, anyhow, I'm gonna wait for a second here till maybe 8:30 rolls in. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I took a risk here. I was just gonna try to come in and do 10 ticks at a time, but you could see I just didn't. I just got tired of moving my stop and keep getting stopped out. And when my entries are actually good, you know, it's like this one is 88, got stopped out, and they're actually good, you know. So, anyways, I want to see what this thing unfolds, and I think I'm just gonna hold on, you know. So It's been shooting up, coming down, take you out. So I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. If I lose, I lose. That'd be the end of me, or the end of the day. And I'm trying to target 20, even 40. I'll take 40 if I can. But I think if it goes to 20, then I mean 40, I got a good chance to hit 40. So in any event, even 28 around that level, 34. Alright, so I'm just gonna hold on to it and see what happens. So hopefully it doesn't do a sideways trading here, because I'm already up that 240. So anyways, I'll come back and I'll show you the progression or result of this video. I didn't want to be too long. Okay guys, I was able to get 23 ticks out of that last run. I got stopped out over here. Notice it started stalling. It started to bounce back, so I wasn't gonna give up what I just made here, so decided to cash out as well. It looks like we are on a sideways range here, and that was kind of what I was afraid of was going to happen. You know, it's just going to be sideways. People are going to buy the lows and sell the highs, and this kind of play, you're almost going to have to guess, you know, where the next high would be. It's not really making any more moves, so I'm just sitting around here. I think I'm going to wait for this level here. If it goes up here, I'm gonna try to short it. Then try to. I think I'm just gonna hold on for it for a while until it sells back off. Because I think the next move is just gonna go up and then sell back off. So yeah, it's gonna be total chop fest today. I played this way too many times and lost money in it. I'll guarantee you. If anything, it's just gonna be quick 5-tick scalp. If anything, so I might even try that strategy in the paper money. So in any event, I'll be back and I'll let you know if I take any more trades. Okay, so I'm back. I haven't taken any trades since, but I just wanted to point this out so that way I could save you a little bit of money. This is what I'm talking about right here when there is no follow through. As you could see, this right here, you would think, oh, final reversal, right? So some people would put their shorts right there. Guess what happens to the next candle? And next thing you know, you're just really stuck in this range, this red, green kind of type pricing. And I kind of sort of somewhat know that this is going to happen. That's why I didn't want to participate in it. I can't get the follow through like this candle right here right when it opened. So anyhow, yeah, there's just noise. And let's see, participant wise, there's not much going on really with the big ticket orders here. So as you can see, it's not much really going on. So it's fairly quiet for a Friday. So I'm still kind of wanting to see where this might head, but I mean, I think the direction's still down, but not really sure where it's gonna go now. Seems like, yeah, if you're in this area right here, just wait. This thing could shoot back up, and so anywhere around this range is almost not a tradable range. You're just sitting there in the mercy that it goes into your direction, which is probability for that one's kind of slim. So anyways, I'll wait. I'll show you if I have any other trades. I'll try to record it. I'll pause for now. Well guys, I took a couple other trades today. I took two extra one of them, I thought it was gonna hit the supply level because it was been flagging, so I took a shot at it. Makes sense in a directional point of view. It was just flagging here, so I shorted it, and I got stopped out. Fortunately, went to the other direction, so if it's not going down, must be going up. So I was watching this one, and I found this wick, went down quickly, came back up, and I was able to get filled at 35 for a quick 11 tick target, and I got it there. But right now I gotta get going to work. It's getting close, so and I gotta burn this video. So anyhow, you guys have a great week, a weekend at least. And I certainly appreciate you guys taking the time watching the videos. And if you have any questions, just put a comment below. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. I'll certainly help anybody who's kind of in the same boat as I am. So if there's any way I can help you, then more happy to do that. So you guys have a good one. Have a great Friday. Bye.